Are Ottawa prices about to drop? With all the federal cuts happening, what's going to happen to the market? A lot of people are asking me that question right now. Michel Brissette here with the Ottawa Real Estate Monthly Update for the month of March. I'll be sharing with you what's happening in the market. It'll apply to both buyers and home sellers. Stay with me till the end because I'm going to share something really surprising about what's about to happen in the Ottawa real estate market. In this update, we're going to talk about the return to work, affordability, mortgage payments, what homes are selling for, what I expect the market's going to do in the months ahead. So what's happened in the market this February compared to last February? So our sales were down 6.8%, and we're seeing about double that amount of listings coming onto the market. What that means is unless a home is priced strategically, a lot of them are not going to sell right away. Some of those homeowners are going to be renting their homes out. They're going to be reducing their prices. Some of them are going to change their plans, take it off the market. It's very important to be priced right. And it also depends on what your goal is. If you're happy with waiting 3, 4, or 5 months to get it sold, or even a year, then it's okay to price it high. If your objective is to get it sold in the next 30 days so you can move on with your plans, then it's very important to do it strategically. Pricing a home right is very important in this market. If a home is well priced, I normally see a home selling in faster. If it's priced higher, some of these homes unfortunately will miss out on the window to get it sold right away and stay on the market for multiple months, and some of them not even sell. So that's really important to take into consideration when you're putting your home on the market. The first 2 weeks on the market is the most crucial time. When you're pricing a home, for example, if your home was worth somewhere between $690,000 and $720,000, if you price it at the low end, at the $690,000, it likely will sell very fast. If you price it at the high end, around $720,000 or even $730,000, there's a chance it could sit on the market, and you could lose the most important window in the market, which is the first couple of weeks. So it doesn't mean your home won't sell if you price it high. However, just keep in mind that the strategy is very important. A lot of people say, what's actually selling right now? And what I find is townhomes are selling quickly if they're well priced and they show well. Homes under $800,000 and homes within 25 minutes of downtown Ottawa, that's where the market's at right now. One of the biggest challenges in today's market continues to be affordability. During COVID, mortgage rates were at all-time lows. So for example, on a $700,000 mortgage, the payment on that was $2,863 per month. And not only that, but of your payment, $22,700 in that first 12 months would have gone to pay down the house. Compare that to today, that same $700,000, you're close to $3,700 per month. So that's a huge difference. And you're only putting $17,000 towards the principal. A lot of people are asking me, what about return to office policy? How is that going to change things? We're seeing people having to go back to work 4 days a week at the federal government. And some of these people purchased homes away from downtown Ottawa, knowing that they could work from home. And those people that moved maybe 45 minutes, an hour away, there's going to be pressure on them coming back closer to downtown Ottawa. So we might see a shift where the demand will be higher for homes that are closer to Ottawa, and the demand will reduce for those that are further from Ottawa. So thanks for staying till the end. Here's a stat I told you I'd share with you.
One interesting insight about housing in the Ottawa region comes from recent construction data. According to CMHC, in 2025, there were about 10,864 housing starts in the Ottawa-Gatineau region. But a large portion of those homes were apartments. In fact, about 7,025 were apartment units, plus another 274 accessory suites. So while Ottawa continues to grow and add new residents each year, The number of detached homes, townhomes, and semi-detached homes being added annually is relatively limited. That balance between population growth and the type of housing being built helps explain why Ottawa housing has historically remained relatively stable, especially in neighborhoods within about a 25-minute drive of downtown Ottawa.
Looking ahead, there's a lot of pent-up demand right now. A lot of people have been putting off buying because of interest rates. Interest rates have come down a little bit. It doesn't look like they're going to come down anytime soon, any further. So I think we're going to see a lot of the buyers start to purchase in the near future when they realize that this might be the best it's going to be. If I was buying right now, or if I was suggesting to one of my children whether they should wait or buy, I'd definitely say buy now. The one important thing to remember is every neighborhood's a little bit different. If you're wondering what your home is worth, feel free to reach out anytime. I'd be happy to give you an opinion of value.